Danish Prime Minister Helle Thorning-Schmidt visits the Copenhagen synagogue where a security guard was killed overnight. She has a message for the Jewish community.
Thoughts goes to the whole of the Jewish community today. They belong in Denmark. They are a strong part of our community, and we will do everything we can to protect the Jewish community in our country.
Danish police shot and killed the man they believe was responsible for 2 deadly attacks, one at an event promoting freedom of speech and later at the synagogue. Some residents wonder if they will ever feel safe again.
I hope that we can still go on as we always did, but I think most of us will have it in our minds, thinking that we have to take more care.
In Israel, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu says European Jews will always be welcome.
אנחנו קוראים לקליטת עלייה המונית מאירופה.
I would like to tell all European Jews and all Jews wherever they are, Israel is the home of every Jew.
ישראל היא הבית של כל יהודי.
2 civilians died in Saturday's attack and 5 police officers